guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like a colorful text on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this as a background. You can select any background you want for this. I'm also going to add in this default text, and I'm just going to type in colorful, and I'm also going to change the font of it to this. And I'm just going to select this color first so you guys can see the text before I change anything to it. Sorry, before I do anything to it. Then to select it one by one and change the color of the text, select the C and then select the color you want. For instance, this like blue one. And then I want to select the L and change it to like this yellow color. Okay, that's a little bit too light. I don't think you can see that. Maybe like this one. And then I'm just going to change the O by like selecting just one letter and changing it to a different color. And I'm going to keep doing that until I'm done with everything. So I want to change this one to, let's say this blue color. Oops. And then this U to like this brown kind of color. And then lastly we have this L. I'm just going to change it to this color. And that is basically it, really super simple. You can add in an animation too if you want here, like this wave one. Oops, sorry, adjust the speed here. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!